So Shish Tawook, beautiful, lovely chicken, no skin, no bone, in a nice yogurt marination onto the barbecue. Delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's get on to this one then. This is a Shish Tawook. So we've got chicken breast, no skin, no bone in there, just some nice meat, cut into fairly large pieces. Plain yogurt or curd, olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, lemon juice, little bit of tomato paste. Some people even put ketchup in this as well. And then we've got tiny amount of paprika, tiny amount of oregano. I'm talking like half teaspoon, and then a couple of teaspoons of coriander powder. Simply, the whole lot goes in there. We're going to mix it up. So here we go. Let's start with our salt and pepper, garlic, paprika, oregano, and coriander. A little bit of olive oil, a little splash of lemon juice. Then we're going to go in with that little bit there of tomato paste, and like I say, some people will use ketchup in there as well, and then our yogurt. There's like a cup of that. Right, you can see I've got my sexy glove on. There's only one way to do this, and that is to get right in here and give it a mix. Then what's going to happen is we're going to shrink wrap this, plastic wrap it, whatever you call that. It's going to go in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. Overnight would be delightful. Then that's going to go onto some skewers. That's going to go onto the barbecue or the charcoal, and this is absolutely wonderful. Okay, so here's our beautiful chicken in those spices and the yogurt. We're going to use this type of skewer, a flat skewer, but not as wide as I've used before. This is a kind of medium skewer, so simply we're going to pop these on, and then we're going to go straight to the barbecue. Okay, and there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 nice skewers there of our Shish Tawook. Okay, to the barbecue. Barbecue's fired up, looking beautiful. Shish Tawook is ready. On that goes. Wonderful stuff. Barbecue time. So we've got our Shish Tawook here. On it goes. What a wonderful sound. The sound of love. I'm going to be flipping them over. They're going to be about 6 minutes, 7 minutes in total, I would imagine. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. I really love that. Nice yogurt, spices, beautiful chicken. Delicious. And there you go, beautiful. That really is tasty. That yogurt dressing that we put on it, that marinade, is delicious. Then once it's on the barbecue, just heavenly. Just serving it with a little bit of tomato onion salad with some olives and some chopped parsley. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. Do leave a message. Let us know how you're doing. We do like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.